What is up, guys? What's going on? We got another video for you today, and we found this new crypto that's like up on the top of the charts. Like, I think it's like top 20 crypto by market cap, somewhere in there. And I've never heard of it before. It's called Mantle, MNT. So let's get into it. Let's find out what the heck this thing is. All right, unlocking the future of finance. An introduction to Mantle, MNT, cryptocurrency. In a fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies, where innovation never sleeps, one project is quietly revolutionizing how we think about blockchain, scalability, and finance. Meet Mantle, often referred to by its native token, MNT. If you've ever felt frustrated by Ethereum's high transaction fees or slow speeds during peak times, Mantle is here to change that. It's not just another coin, it's the feel for high-performance network that bridges the gap between traditional banking and the Wild West of decentralized finance, DeFi. In this video, we're going to break it down simply. What is Mantle? Who created it? Why it exists, and how MNT is used, and where you can grab some for yourself. By the end, you'll see why MNT is skyrocketing in popularity, with its price recently hitting around $2.73 and climbing over 19% in a single day. Let's start at the beginning. Mantle Network. The blockchain behind MNT officially launched in July 2023 as a Ethereum Layer-2 solution. Think Ethereum as the bustling highway of crypto. It's secure and popular, but traffic jams, high fees, and delays are constant headache. Layer-2 networks like Mantle sit on top of Ethereum, handle transactions off the main chain to make everything faster and cheaper, while still using Ethereum's rock-solid security. What sets Mantle apart is its modular design, which means it mixes and matches tech components like execution for processing transactions, data availability for storing info efficiently, and finality for confirming deals quickly. This isn't some rigid system. It's flexible, upgradable, and built for the long haul. Now, who dreamed up this clever setup? Mantle was born from a single visionary genius in his garage. Mantle wasn't born from a single visionary genius in a garage. Instead, it emerged from a collective spirit of BitDAO, one of the largest decentralized autonomous organizations in crypto. DAOs are like community-run companies where token holders vote on decisions. No bosses, just collective smarts. BitDAO had a massive treasury, a pot of funds, and a focus on Ethereum projects. But it needed a dedicated network to push its ideas further. In 2023, BitDAO rebranded and poured its resources into Mantle, making it the first Layer 2 fully backed by such a powerful DAO. While there's no official founder in traditional sense, a core team of about 25 experts lead the charge. Key players include Arjun Krishan Kalsi, a whiz in Ethereum scaling and Web3 tech, and Joshua Lapidus, who helped shape its technical backbone. Headquartered in Singapore, the Mantle Network was founded that same year, emphasizing a decentralized ethos where the community calls the shots. Why did they go through all this trouble? The crypto world in 2023 was booming, but Ethereum's limitations were holding it back. gas fees, those pesky costs for every transaction could spike to $50 or more during hype cycles, pricing out everyday users. BitDAO saw an opportunity to fix this while tackling a bigger dream, merging traditional finance, TradFi, like banks and stocks, with DeFi, crypto's open, permissionless alternative. Mantle was created to drive mass adoption of blockchain tech, meaning making it so user-friendly that institutions and regular folks alike would jump in. They wanted a liquidity chain, a network that supercharges how money flows in the on-chain economy, cutting waste and boosting efficiency by using innovative tools like Ethena for cheap data storage and Ethereum Layer for restaking Ethereum, letting users earn yields on staked ETH without locking it up forever. Mantle aimed to deliver institutional-grade settlement. In plain terms, it's about safe, speedy value transfers that feel as reliable as wiring money through a bank, but without the middleman. The goal? Revolutionize finance by making blockchain scalable enough for the real world. From DeFi loans to AI apps and even gaming, at its heart, Mantle is a high-performance Ethereum Layer-2 that's already the largest by total value locked, meaning billions in assets are parked there for safety and speed. It uses an optimistic rollup protocol, which assumes transactions are valid unless proven otherwise, keeping things zippy. Add zero knowledge protocol, zero knowledge proofs, ZK proofs, a math trick that verifies transactions without revealing details, and you've got privacy plus speed. Features like native Ethereum and Bitcoin assets, ETH for staking Ethereum, and FBTC for bridging Bitcoin into Web3, make it a playground for yields and liquidity. Partnerships with heavyweights like Ethena for stable coins, Agora, backed by firms like Van Eck, and Ondo for yield products, show Mantle's push towards real-world finance is not just tech for tech's sake, it's building Mantle banking, where TradFi meets DeFi seamlessly. So, what exactly do you do with MNT, the token that powers all of this? MNT isn't just digital bling, it's the lifeblood of the ecosystem. First off, it's the gas for the network. Every transaction on Mantle requires a tiny bit of MNT to cover fees, keeping things affordable, often pennies instead of dollars. This replaces Ethereum's ETH for on-chain actions, making Mantle feel like its own efficient universe. Second, governance is MNT's superpower. Holders vote on big decisions like how to speed the treasury, or how to spend the treasury, a whopping fund for growth, or launch new features. The process is straightforward. Discuss ideas on the forum, delegate your tokens for voting power, cast your ballot on Snapshot, and watch it execute via the Treasury dashboard. It's democracy in action, ensuring the network evolves with user input. Beyond that, MNT shines in everyday uses across sectors. In DeFi, lock it up in Rewards Station for yields, recently offering 6% APY on 1.2 million MNT prizes, or lend it on platforms like Lendl and Init Capital for steady returns around 1 to 2%. provide liquidity in pools like MNT to USDT on Merchant Mo, and you could earn 300% APY in volatile times. Though remember, high rewards mean high risk. CeFi fans love staking MNT on Bybit for launch pools, where you farm new tokens like FF with APRs over 100%. GameFi, buy in game items in titles like Spot Zero, even AI tools like Aura let you tinker with MNT. And NFTs? Snap up collections on Mantle's marketplace. Over 1.4 million users have tapped into MNT rewards, with total incentives hitting $66 million in USDT equivalent. It's versatile, rewarding holders who engage from airdrops to missions. Getting your hands on MNT is easier than ever, especially as it's listed on major platforms. Centralized exchanges are the go-to for beginners. Coinbase lets you buy directly with a card, bank transfer, earning rewards on holdings. Wow, that's awesome. Also, guys, I have a link to Coinbase. If you click over to sanaall.net or the simple.bio link, one of the two. But if you go to sanaall.net and you click free crypto and stocks, you will find my Coinbase link there. Deposit $20 and get $30 for free when you use my link. All right, let's see here. If you guys don't want to use Coinbase, there's other exchanges. I don't have the links to these exchanges, so you won't be able to get bonus money, but they do also have it on Kraken, Bybit, Binance, Uniswap is a decentralized exchange where you can get it as well. Uphold, I do have a link to Uphold, so again, if you click the simple.bio link or you click to sanaall.net and you click free crypto and stocks, you'll find my Uphold link there. They have it there on Uphold and Coinbase. Alright, let's keep it going. Looking ahead, Mantle's roadmap is buzzing. They're rolling out ZK validity proofs with succinct SP1 for even faster settlements, expanding, restaking, and deepening TradFi ties like World Liberty Financial's USD1 stablecoin launch. With a governed treasury steering initiatives, expect more products in PayFi, payments on blockchain, and beyond. As crypto matures, Mantle positions itself as the banking backbone of Web3, secure, scalable, and inclusive. In wrapping up, Mantle and MNT aren't just riding the crypto wave, they're shaping it. Born from BitDAO's vision to fix Ethereum's flaws and unite finance worlds, this L2 powerhouse uses MNT for everything from fees to votes to yields. Whether you are a DeFi dabbler or a TradFi transplant, it's accessible via top exchanges and brimming with potential. Okay. Let's see here. Mantle's promise a simpler, smarter path to tomorrow's money. Dive in, but do your own research. Crypto is exciting, but volatile. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that video about Mantle. MNT had no freaking clue what the heck it was. All I know is I see it as one of the top cryptos and it appeared out of nowhere. So we needed to figure out what the hell this is. And it's quite interesting. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you think. I want to see where it is right now in position. It looks like it is number 30 crypto. It's in 30th place out of all cryptos in the entire world. Never heard of it before. That's crazy. Anyway, guys, I appreciate it. Like I said, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about Mantle, MNT. And in the comment section, smash up the like, subscribe, share out with your friends, and we will see you on the next video. Peace out. Check out SantaAll.net, support my YouTube channels, Crypto Commander, 5-minute crypto updates, and What It's Like Adventures. Find special codes in the videos for free entries. On the account page at SantaAll.net, check your balances, then scroll to enter codes. Type the code, apply a coupon, and snag free Santa just for watching. Head to the watch videos for Santa pick from my categorized videos. Watch to earn 100 Santa every 5 seconds. When done, hit next video, keep going, and climb the weekly leaderboard. Top 5 win XRP. First place gets 5 XRP plus 10 million Santa, 10 million Filipina. Santa is our utility coin for the website and upcoming game. Filipina, the meme coin, we airdrop free Filipina to top 10 Santa holders weekly and burn 100,000 Santa per watch hour on my channels every week. Cash out anytime on the account page. Swap Santa for Filipina for Fortnite items, gods, unchained tokens, or straight up XRP. Fill out the form and done. Click on the menu, get free crypto and stocks, my affiliate links for Ledger wallets, Coinbase. You can deposit $20, get $30. Uphold, deposit $100, get $20. BitTrue promos and BTCC. New users score up to $10,055 in USDT. Tether bonuses. Just register, get $10. Verified KYC, get $20. First deposit. Bonus scales with the amount. Spot trade, $5. Futures trade, get $20 when you make your first futures trade. Tasks expire, so act fast. Link in the description. Grab a Sana. Sana means hope in Tagalog. You can get it on XP Market. Use XMN wallet. Swap XRP for Sana or Filipina. Airdrops. Go to the top 10 holders of Sana. Huge potential, but invest wisely. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Nothing is guaranteed. Smash the like, subscribe, and share it. Peace out till next time.